Hey everyone! Looking to start a business without leaving your house? In this video, I'm sharing some easy and profitable business ideas you can start from home, even with little or no investment. Let's dive right in. Number 1. Freelancing services. Got a skill like writing, graphic design, video editing, or coding? Start offering your services on platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or Freelancer. Work with clients from around the world, right from your laptop. Number 2. Sell digital products. Create and sell ebooks, printables, templates, or courses. Use platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, or Teachable. Once created, digital products bring in passive income. Number 3. Dropshipping store. Start your own online store without keeping inventory. Use Shopify, Gion, a supplier like AliExpress. You sell it, they ship it, and you keep the profit. Number 4. Virtual assistant. Many businesses need help with emails, scheduling, social media, and more. Offer your time and skills as a VA, virtual assistant, and work for clients remotely. Number 5. Affiliate marketing. Promote other people's products and earn a commission when someone buys through your link. Start a blog, YouTube channel, or social media page to get traffic and clicks. Number 6. Print on demand. Design cool t-shirts, mugs, or tote bags and sell them online. You only print when someone buys, no inventory needed. Use platforms like Printful or Redbubble. Number 7. Online tutoring or coaching. If you're good at a subject or skill, teach it. Use Zoom or Google Meet and promote on social media or tutoring websites. Number 8. Content creation. Start a YouTube channel, podcast, or TikTok page. If you're consistent and provide value, you can earn through ads, sponsorships, and merch. There you go. 8 awesome business ideas you can start from home today. Pick the one that matches your skills, stay consistent, and watch your income grow. Which idea are you excited to try? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more simple business tips.